Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Maria Jessa Melendez Sumatra, 29 years old, widow. I have two children, one boy and one girl. My father's name is Roberto Melendez and my mother's name is Crispina Melendez. I have seven brothers and one sisters and I am eight in the family. I am Catholic and I live in Pilar, Bohol, Philippines. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, playing with the children. I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years and I serve four members of the family, one baby and one children. My main duties to my employer are taking care of their children, assisting them to their daily needs every day, and prioritize their health and safety. And so make them happy, I play with them, tutoring basic English and math, and give my full care and attention. I also do household work like cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes. I want to work in Hong Kong because of much higher salary. I can earn more money to provide a better future to my children and also to help my family. Thank you and God bless.